President Aquino does not intend to scrap the Disbursement Acceleration Program, or DAP. The president stressed that the DAP is needed to accelerate the benefits that will accrue to the people. These include funds to support scholarships of indigent but deserving students and medical assistance to the poor.
Okay ako doon sa scholarships. Okay ako doon sa continuing treatment of people, di ba yung mga people dialysis, madaming nasa orthopedic, no? Heart Center, PGH. Tapos and all of these hospitals have developed systems to ensure na walang fictitious na patients. Okay. Tapos yung iba naman, na nagpakita na ng medyo napakalus na control, dapat sa pwera na yan. For instance, one of the proposals we have is no medical missions. Everything has to be coursed through a hospital. Tapos kompleto na. Baka may isang proposal pa, lagyan na natin ng biometrics. Yung pasyente will be subjected to giving his biometrics so that there's a further control.